Hey, you made it.
Hey, sorry I'm late. I was just grabbing a toy for your dog. Are you ready to go?
Should we take my car? I don't want him to get your seats dirty.
Oh, you're good. I already put towels down for him and everything.
Nice of you to plan a picnic so Oliver could come.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, shoot. Forgot to bring water.
Water for Oliver? I got you covered.
Thanks for the nice time.
Yeah, of course. What about a second date? I'll bring a date for Oliver as well.
I love you. Hey,
Hey, sorry I'm late.
that's okay. Come in.
Hey, Oliver. Oh, he does not look happy to see me.
I think he's so upset you didn't invite him on our last date.
Oh, well, he's a dog. I'll just give him a treat and he'll forgive me.